Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Mirza Furqan Beg, academic in charge of Al Usman Institute, Dubai. Today's date is 29th November 2024 and the Islamic date is 27 Jamadi Awwal 1446 and the upcoming month is Jamadi Sani. Let us begin with today's Tarbiyyah assembly. Dear children, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Innamal a'malu binniyat." Translation: actions are judged by intentions. This hadith teaches us that the reward of any action depends on the intention behind it. If we do something for the sake of Allah, He will reward us. But if we do something to show off, it won't be accepted by Allah. Students, now I'll tell you a short story related to this hadith. Ali was very excited when his teacher announced a competition to collect donations for the poor. He quickly ran home and asked his parents to help him collect money. When he returned to school with the largest donation, his classmates clapped for him. But Ali's teacher noticed that he looked uncomfortable. She asked him, "Why do you look so upset, Ali?" Ali replied, "I realized I was more focused on winning the competition than helping the poor. I want to give for Allah's sake, not just for applause." The teacher smiled and said, "That's very thoughtful. Ali, remember Allah loves actions done purely for Him." From then on, Ali always checked his intentions before doing anything. Lessons from today's Tarbiyyah assembly: always check your intentions before doing any action. Do good deeds for sake of Allah, not to impress others. Pure intentions lead to greater rewards from Allah. That's all for today. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow with another inspiring topic. Let us pray to Allah to purify our intentions and accept our good deeds. Ameen. Wassalam. Tarbiyah Department, Al Usman Institute, Dubai.